In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Wise. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use the online banking section for Bank of America to initiate a transfer to your Wise bank account. So to do this, like I said, sign into the online banking section for Bank of America. You might also be able to do this through the mobile app, but for this video, I'm gonna be showing how to do it on the website. So when you go over to online banking, one of the options on the top of the screen is going to be transfer/Zelle. Choose this option, and then from the drop-down menu that appears, you will be able to select to or from other banks, including wires. So choose this option and you will be redirected to another page where you can choose from which Bank of America account you are going to be transferring the money from and then to which account. Now, to actually add your Wise account here, you have to select Add Account/Recipient at the right side. By choosing that option, you will be redirected to another page where you can include the details about the Wise bank account that you want to use for this specific transfer. So you will be able to choose between domestic or international, select international if needed, and then include all of the details. I won't be able to show you this process in full because it contains a lot of personal information, but you will have to include the contact information such as the first name, last name, street address, city, zip code, and so on, and eventually details like the IBAN number. Once you add all of these details, you will be able to go back into the previous page, so choose the Make Transfer tab and proceed. So choose from which Bank of America account you will be initiating this transfer from and choose the destination or the recipient as the international or domestic Wise account that you selected. Include the amount, a frequency if needed, and you will be able to proceed. As long as you do this process through online banking and you added the Wise account as a recipient on Bank of America, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Bank of America to Wise. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.